Someone's still here, is it? Oh, it's this Matt again. It's this Matt. It's an absolute beast. I forgot I'm dying, I'm looking around as if nothing's wrong. I know, there's millions, isn't there? I get near as well. Yeah, I don't think there is a limit for them. Not that I'm aware of yet. I'm trying to think, I've got quite a bit of stuff. Did you manage to download the Silent Hill thing yet? Nah. Oh, you've got to do that one. No, you do, trust me. You'll love it. I think that's it, to be honest. I don't think we missed anything. Is there more to do, like? I'll tell you what I want. I want to know how to get that DLC for the extra island then. Or do you just have to complete the campaign? You'd probably unlock it by the sounds of it. Well, that's pretty decent if... No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't sound like I've done it. Thing is, if one of us hasn't done it, then the other one can't do it, you know? If one of us hasn't done it, the other one can do it. What do I need to do? The hell's that noise? Didn't see that when we went in, did we? You should never enter a burning building. No. Do the next one. I think that's next to the one we've done, but I don't think we've done that one. Yeah. I'm taking the brave road. I need to get some free running skills up. Oh wait. Ugh. Electricity should set fire to that. Maybe not. Oh, you joined up? Sounds like you brought a trash on them. Ooh! Train yard. Got the quarantine all over it. No. It's got it there though. I can't say I've seen this one. There's loot everywhere. Not down there. there's no there. Not up your end. Is this it? This could be it. Nothing come up. Nah, I can't say I have either. Is that next to the ambulance? No, how the hell did you get in here? I've been up, or I've run across. Strange. Oh, Tommy. Police vans and all sorts here. Yep. Depends when you level up a bit. Changes. Definitely changes. Oh, come on. Oh, please say that's what I think it is. Oh! That's a machine gun ammo. You're playing alone. You still there? Yeah, I can hear you, but you've been disconnected. Oh, God. I'll tell you what we should do then. For now. Come off, get some lunch or whatever. What time is it? I definitely get some food. Get some food now, then come back on in 15, 20 minutes or whatever. Have a little break, and I'll get this uploaded. Hear that? Yeah, and I managed to get machine gun ammo. Right. Say ta to these guys because they've been spectators all the way through it, whoever they are. Thank you very much. Very nice. Right then, Tommy, I'll see you in a bit.